Jolly Jingle Learning.
Welcome to the world of colors. Let's learn about different colors and the objects around us. Are you ready? Let's begin. The color red. Look at these juicy red berries. Red is bright and full of energy. Here are 3 red objects: an apple, a tomato, and a little ladybug. The color orange. Oranges are so fresh and yummy. Can you think of more orange things? Here's an orange, a pumpkin, and a basketball. The color yellow. Bananas are yellow and sweet. Some more yellow things are cheese, a lemon, and another banana. The color green. Look at these fresh green leaves. Green reminds us of nature. Here are some green things: broccoli, a leaf, and a pear. The color blue. Blueberries are small and tasty. Let's see more blue things. Blueberries, a sapphire, and a bluebird. The color purple. Look at this beautiful purple flower. Purple things include a plum, purple cabbage, and an eggplant. The color pink. Pink roses are so pretty. Some more pink things are a rose, a pig, and a flamingo. The color brown. Melted chocolate looks so delicious. Brown things include a squirrel, chocolate, and an acorn. The color white. White is bright like fresh snow. Here are some white things: a swan, milk, and a dove. The color black. Coal is dark and strong. So black things are a crow, a panther, and coal. Great job, kids! Now you know so many colors and their objects. Keep learning and having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more such amazing videos with Jolly Jingle Learning.